that up to last class we complete the Word, Microsoft Word. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the presentation application. Okay, presentation application, right? So we can prepare any presentation like the classroom presentation, classroom teaching, or the dissertation presentation, or your assignment presentation, or any public speaking, right? Most of the situation we want to prepare the presentation, right? To prepare presentation, we have so many packages. The example Microsoft packages. We have so many packages, collections. Example, Microsoft Office is one of the Office collection, right? And LibreOffice also one of the Office collection, and OpenOffice also Office collections. But the difference between the Microsoft product and other Libre and OpenOffice, actually the OpenOffice and LibreOffice are open source. Open source, the open source softwares are free, free softwares. But if you want to purchase or if you want to install the Microsoft product, you want to spend more than 20,000. Okay, and different versions and different type of MS Office are different price. Example, professional edition around 32,000, and enterprise edition around 20,000, and the basic edition around 9,000. Office 365 package around 3,000 to 5,000. Okay. Every versions and every type of packages have different features, right? So using this presentation, we can present any text and any graph or any pictures and any animations. Okay. The MS Office, we are learning MS Office and other things. Another Office package is the LibreOffice. This is the LibreOffice. The LibreOffice is one of the free or open source package, right? The LibreOffice package also have the PowerPoint. Actually, this is the PowerPoint. The Impress, the writer document equal to Microsoft Word, and Calc equal to Microsoft Excel, and Impress is one of the presentation preparing software like the PowerPoint. Okay, and base is the Access, MS Access, right? Like softwares to do the database management system, right? Using this Impress, we can prepare the presentation, effective presentation. But in our syllabus, the PowerPoint is one of the presentation software. So the Microsoft Office package. Have MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Okay, MS Visio, MS Access, MS Visio, MS Project. These are the packages or the softwares under the Microsoft package. Okay. So many packages, around more than 16 packages. available. But the most of this application covered this Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. These are the basic Office packages. You know about the Word, right? Now we want to learn about PowerPoint. The PowerPoint is very important to you because in your agriculture course of study, the 4 years duration, most of the courses have the presentation. Some courses have the midterm presentation. I think you are in the online mode, right? When you visit or when you move to faculty physically, we have well-structured lecture hall with smart podium and smart board and presentation features, everything. With AC air conditioning facilities and Wi-Fi facilities. All lecture hall have Wi-Fi facilities nowadays, right? So well-equipped lecture hall in our faculty. So then every course unit in every semester have the presentation. Some courses have the midterm presentation and end-term presentation. So in one semester, in averagely, you want to face or you want to present more than 10 presentations in every semester around. So 8 semester, around more than 80 to 100 presentation you want to do. Okay, so in the case, you want to prepare the presentation, or you can prepare the presentation using PowerPoint. So this PowerPoint software is very important to your study, right? The PowerPoint software, like the Word, most of the versions are there. Example, MS PowerPoint 2003, then MS PowerPoint 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, 2020, 2021. Most of the versions are there. But we are using these. Nowadays, most of the users are using this one because we are using the cracked version, no? Not genuine version. How many of you using the licensed version? So most of around 70-80% of the persons in the world, not Sri Lankans, are using cracked version, right? The cracked version is not licensed version, pirated version, right? So nowadays we can get this cracked version of the PowerPoint, the 13, 16, 19. Somebody you have the 2021, right? So all the version of the PowerPoint are the small different. Some the earlier versions are improved from improve in the next version, and some features added, new features added, some unwanted features removed. So in the 2003 to 2021, most the 2003 is different, the earlier one, and from 7 to 21, all are nearly equal. Some interfaces are different. Otherwise, all are equal. So the version is not problem to us. Example, I am explaining the PowerPoint using 2016. Somebody you are using 2013, somebody 2010, or somebody 2020. The version not problem. right? Right. Today I will explain how to prepare an effective presentation, your interactive presentation using PowerPoint, right? So here, this is the PowerPoint software. Okay, PowerPoint software. When you click the PowerPoint software, actually, this is the welcome window. The welcome window, these are the recently used files. Recently used file. Recently. These files are, I am using in this week, yesterday and today. And this is the last week access file. This is an older file, right? So actually these are the recent files. And here, this one, using this open presentation, when you click this open presentation, the open dialog box will be open. Using this open dialog box, you can open any files from your pen drive or any storage. Okay, right. And here, the right hand side, have some options. These are the templates, right? Already developed by Microsoft PowerPoint. Some designing, someone using the background color, and someone the font color change, and the first slide and second slide, different background, mostly different backgrounds. These are the already predefined templates. If you want to get the one style, click the one style. Okay, the particular template will be created, but we can choose the different colors under the this is green, and the different colors, 4 colors there. Select the color and click create. Now this blank PowerPoint slide will be created with the selected background. Okay, then you create new slides. Right click on this side is called the slide shoulder window. This is slide shoulder window. On the slide shoulder, the right click, and the new slide will be created. Right click, new slide, new click. So every slide are created in the same template style. The earlier one, we are creating the background color green and some background images. When you create new one, all are same property or selected template, right? So you can select any template from this one. Otherwise, when you click this presentation or in the education, if you are connected to a kind of the laptop or the system with the internet, automatically listed some the default education related templates. These are the education related templates, right? And here the business related templates. These are the business related templates. Okay, presentation, education, books related. So many categories are there. You can select any style and click create, and now the particular layout, default layout will be displayed. After that, we can delete and edit the contents. This is a sample template. Sample template. This template available on your internet. Directly download and already. After that, we can save, and now we can save this file and file save as, and select the file location, your drive, and put your name, the file name and save. Okay. So using the template, we can get so many styles. The style may be related to education or any business or any other related to some specific heading or category. So we can get more templates from online. Without online, we cannot get these type of templates. Now actually this now select last selected template downloaded within the PowerPoint. In future, whenever open the PowerPoint, automatically available this file, because this file downloaded in our PC. These are the available is offline. Offline means available. These templates are available in our system. Without internet, we can get these templates from our PC, but these features from online. So whenever you are interested to, if you think anyone is very good template, you can download the template. Okay, right. Now I am creating a blank presentation. So blank presentation means the blank presentation, no any background or no any layout there. Okay. This is the blank representation means white. The most of the academic site, most of the academic presentation, okay, academic presentation, the blank is better. Blank and black, one or two colors, and the blank white color background and some black and one or two colors. That's enough. If you are present in the public presentation, you can prepare the presentation like some attractive images and animation, everything. Okay, right. So now I am explaining how to create the blank presentation. And when you right click on the new slide, the new slide will be inserted. Every slide have two text boxes. The first one title and next one is text box. You can type anything in this box. And this is also this is a heading, and this is one. This is the one content box. Okay, content box. You can using this content box. You can type anywhere anything in this box. Otherwise, this is the 6 icon. This icon to insert the table. Using this, we can insert the table. How many column and how many rows, right? And this one the chart, and this one the smart art, right? And this one pictures from our PC, and this one insert picture from online. That's mean from the internet. And this is the insert video. So using this 6 icon, we can insert any type of materials or type of contents within this box, right? In this the form ribbon, one option new slide. When you click this new slide, so using this we can create the new slide. This one, when you right click on this and new slide, also new we can get the new slide. Okay, but default slide. But here so many layout are there. This is also a new slide. Using this, we can insert new slide. And here the different 2 contents and title only, and some different layouts, right? Now I select 2 content. Now create a new slide, and here the one box have this content box, and this is also have the content box. Right? Now I delete all things because we are preparing in ourselves. No? So I delete everything. Now these are the blank slide without any content. Now if you right click on new slide, the new slide created the last slide content. Okay, so everything we want to delete. But now this is the blank slide, no? We can copy this slide, copy, and here paste. Okay, paste the same slide. Same slide will be inserted. Otherwise, you know the shortcut key from keyboard, Control V, no? Control V. Every control key, we can insert so many slides. Same slide. So how now I have around 20 slides, right? Using that we can create the slide. And here now we will move from the first slide. I will place the cursor in the first slide. And if you want to insert any text in this slide, here in the home ribbon, this is the text box, right? This is the text box, right? Otherwise, under the insert option, here also text box available. Both are same. Click the text box and click here the window and type AC11012 computer application literacy and basic application is the title. So after typing your content and select the text box, and we can set these properties. You know these properties: font style, size, bold, italic, underline, everything you know, right? I select this font style, different font style. Okay, or any other style you can set any style from this, and you can get the size of the text. Okay, otherwise you can click and drag. What happened? In other packages, when you these 9 node are the resize the scaling the image or scaling the object. But here, when you click this one, the text box size will be changed. Within this text box, the text size not changed because we are increasing or decreasing the text box width and height. No? Okay, right. Using this one, we can put the title. Okay. After that, we can move this the center, right? And if you want to another text box, click this one and click and drag. This is also text box. And we can change the font style and size and alignment, justify and bold. We can move and place anywhere. Okay. When you move this text box, now one guideline will appear. That one vertical height line. That's mean center with previous text. Okay. Like that, you can move this also. The guideline will be applied. If you want to insert a new the logo here, so using the insert image, the insert image, the picture, insert picture, and select your location and select your file here and click logo. You can place the logo. Okay. If your background color is white, white color image is better, right? After that, you can place this image anywhere in this screen on the slide, right? Okay, this is the first slide. Second slide, we can copy and paste any text from our slides, right? Now I will close this one and close this one. Okay. Sometimes if you have any contents in any other package or Word or website or PDF, okay, you can copy that content. Copy, right? Right click, copy, and here we can paste. So after pasting the content, you can change the font style. You can format the font color and alignment and font style. Okay, and lines. Everything we can do. Everything we can change. Right? If you want to put title here, we can get text box here and click text box, my title. When you move this text box, automatically align. Now, this text vertically and horizontally align with previous paragraph. The vertical and horizontal align guideline will also appear in the screen. Using this line, we can align with previous contents. Now, I divided this slide as two columns, and the first column will be the text contents, and right side will be the image, right? So insert and picture, and you can select pictures from the I select pictures from here, click OK, and you can place the image right side. Okay. Now our slide divided in two columns. We can keep our column width and everything using this text box. Okay, text box, and using this image we can decrease the image, right? If you want to place place the content, the images below the text, we can paste the text here, and we can set the text up to right side, right, and make the spacing, everything. If you want to place any pictures below, insert and picture. Here we can have different pictures. One, and again click pictures, and to insert picture according to your size and your requirements. You can place multiple images. If you want to do multiple images, you can reduce the size. Now the previous one, the images and text are side by side, and this one, image and text are bottom and top, right? Using this, you can prepare the content, right? And next slide. Using insert, you know about how to insert table, and you can insert number of tables and columns. Okay, and now the blank table will be inserted. After that, we can enter the text in the table. Okay, and you know we already learn in the Word using this design, and you can set any type of tables. And using the shading, borders, and effect, you can customize the formats. These customizing the table and layout already learned in our Microsoft Word, so no need to repeat here, right? So using this basic table editing, we can create the table. And also insert the picture, you know, the screenshot or image online. You can get image from internet and screenshot, you know. Album I will explain later. Show shape, auto shape. Using this, you can insert different auto shapes, right? Now, when I select this one, the auto shape will be inserted. After that, we can update, or we can format this auto shape, no? And insert the chart, you know, insert clip smart art, you know, the different smart art there. You can give the hierarchy shape, right, and cycle shape, and everything. These already explained in the Microsoft Word, so you know about this and how to create this organization chart. So I select this one and select this one and click OK. Now this will be appear. Using this, you can type anything in this box. You know how to insert the clip art shape. And you know, here insert chart. You know about chart, how to do. You can select different chart here, right? Which chart you want to select. I select the column chart and column chart category, and click OK. You know, this is also I covered in Microsoft Word, right? Using this feature, you can insert any chart using category and series. You can update this value, right? Right, this is a chart. Using this one, you can insert word art and everything. Okay, you know how to insert word art. And using this shape, you can set different styles and shadow effect. Okay, and reflection, you can apply the reflection and glow effect. This already you know. Okay, and these are the effects. So like this, you can insert so many objects or contents in your presentation slides, right? And after that, the presentation slide order we can change. If you want to move this slide before this slide, you can click and drag here, easily move, right? So we can easily rearrange the order using this shorter view, right? Okay, next I will explain about design. Next, I will explain about design. Design is the background of this slide presentation. When you click this one, here the different backgrounds are here. Right? We can select different backgrounds. Right? And here different color themes. Color themes, we can select color themes. Right? And this is the size of the slide. In the most of the monitors, the screens nowadays wide screen, no, wide screen, and the width is higher than the height. The earlier computer monitors, the screen size is nearly square. The width and height are same. This is standard, nearly square. And this is widescreen. So nowadays, all monitors and everything in the widescreen, no? Otherwise, you can change the size of the slide. Click this custom slide size, and you can put width and height of the slide. Okay, and portrait and landscape. Right? And next one, on the format background. Format background, when you click this format background, here the solid fill, right? Solid fill. Then this is the default solid fill, and the background color is white. Default color is white. So you can change the color. Now I select this one. The selected slide only applies. So we can apply the background color one by one slides. So if you want to set the particular one or two slide in different colors, we can select first the slide and then we can apply the color. Now this color will apply to the particular slide only, not for the other slides. So when you click the apply all, when you click this one, the same background style apply to all the slide now. Now all the slides are changed like our selected color. Right? Okay. So I select the white color again and apply to all. And then gradient fill, using the gradient fill, we can select different gradient fill colors and the range or gradient range, right? And the style, rectangle or different styles and directions. Everything we can, using this setting, we can customize the gradient fill options. Next, picture fill. Using this picture fill, we can set with the background picture. Default can set, right? Using this texture, we can select different style from this list. Okay. Otherwise, we can select any background from, and with this background, we can set the transparency. Now, this transparency, using the transparency, we can set the image transparency. If you put the transparency 100, the white color, and using this transparency, we can set the transparency of the background, right? If you want to select any your image, if you have planned to put background using your picture, click this file button, right? Using this, you can find the images from here. I select this image and click OK. The particular slide, particular selected slide only, no? Selected slide only. Selected slide background will be changed using our selected image. If we want to apply this, apply to all the backgrounds are changed like this. But this image, if your image background is dark image, our foreground contents are not clear, right? So in this case, we can set the image background. I select this. Not only you can select any slide, and the transparency of the image we can using the transparency of the image, right? We can set the background, the image transparency, right? Now this background is light blur, like your watermark. Okay. So using this transparency, we can reduce the transparency image, right? But we are selecting the only 8th slide. No? If you want to apply all things, here apply to all. Now this slide apply to all. Now you can this is the first slide and second slide, third slide, fourth slide. The background of this slide is nice one. No? If you want to increase the size transparency, you can using this one you can increase and apply to all. Okay. So actually this is not image. Actually image. The background, the slides background are fitted with selected image. We can't move this image. We can't move this image or we can't rotate or anything. The background image are set. Okay. We cannot move this background image. Okay. Right. And using this pattern fill, you can set the pattern fill colors. Using this pattern, we can set pattern, and I think this one not good for our presentation. And hide background pixels. All background pixels are hidden by this, right? Select the image and click this one. Okay. Right. Right. After creating this the slide presentation, now we can set the background of the slide and contents of the slide. After creating the presentation, we can present this, or we can put the slideshow. The slideshow is one of the presentation style. So when you click this slideshow, the full screen will appear, and press the next button to other slide. Okay. So using the mouse click or the arrow keys, the keyboard arrow keys, we can move next slide or previous slide. Using up and down, you can move previous and next, and left and right also you can use to move the previous and back slide. Okay. If you want to exit the slide, press the escape key. When you click the escape key, the presentation slide will be the normal editing view. Right? Next, we will move to transition. Right? The transition. Actually, this transition effect to the animation for the slide transition, not the content transition. So example, if you changing slide 1 to slide 2, the slide 1 and slide 2, slide 1 are removing from the screen, and so slide 2 is entering your screen. No, that effect is the transition effect. How to exit the slide 1, how to entering the slide 2, and the second one, when you put the second slide, and now when you apply this transition, what is the effect to exit this transition as a slide 2, and how to enter slide 3 in your screen. That's the transition. Here the different transitions are there. Okay. Okay. Different transitions are there. So using this transition, when you now we are clicking the slide, one slide transition, and so the next slide will be appear. Now this slide moving left side. No, using this one, we can move in set this one, move the slide down side, this one right side, this one bottom, and this is corner. So using this, we can customize more, right? So when you click this one, there's so many effects are there. So many effects are there. If example, I select this one like this one. Okay, different slides are there. Right. Now I select this one, right? And here the option. This option are differ from every transition. Now this only 2. The previous one more than 8. No? This one right side, moving right side, and this one moving left side. Right? And here these are the important one. The sound means when you slide are changed, sound will become. Here so many sound are here. Bomb, arrow, face, camera, hash register, time. So many sounds are there. select any the sound from here. Okay, right. Now I select sound. The duration is how many seconds this image appear in the slide. Okay, and here the right side on mouse click. On mouse click means every time if you want to move one slide to next slide, click the mouse pointer in the screen. Otherwise, click the arrow key. Otherwise, the next slide not come in the screen. If you want to move one slide to another slide, you want to click. This one automatically after some time. Now I said 5 seconds. Now 5 seconds. This means after 5 seconds, automatically move one slide to next slide. Don't need to press mouse or anything. Okay. If you have the 20 slides, every slide, first slide stay 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, automatically move the next slide. Next slide, like that. After the 5 into 20, 100 seconds, the presentation automatically finish. No one stay with laptop or desktop. You can go out, automatically present. Right? These are the techniques. But here, now this is applied to the particular second slide only. So we can find the transition here. Here, this star mark. This means these slides apply the transition, but others are not given the transition. Right? Only this slide, the active slide, and only this slide applied a particular transition. If we want to apply this setup to all slides, click this one, apply to all. When you click the apply to all, now you can find this effect, particular effect applied to all slides. No need to configure one by one, but all settings are same. If you want to set the different transition for every slide, you want to set one by one. Right? Now I configure one transition effect and the setting. What's the setting? Transition effect given, and the sound will be given, and the duration, and after automatically. It's the timing automatically. After 5 seconds, automatically change next one. Right? After that, apply all. Now I will present this one. Okay. I will share sound also. When you okay, after 5 seconds, automatically change second slide. No need to press keyboard or no need to press the mouse button. After 5 seconds, automatically changing. Because I click the escape key because we are setting the after option. After option means after 5 seconds, automatically change next slide. Right? If you remove this one and apply to all, and now I will present. First slide will come, sorry. First slide. So next slide, not move because we want to click the mouse or the arrow because we are setting the slide moving using mouse click. If you click the mouse button, next slide will be moved. and every click of the mouse button or using the 4 arrow keys in your keyboard, we can move this. Okay. Right. Actually, this is not good for academics presentation. I am explaining, about what are the features available in our presentation software. So, if you are teaching any contents for children's, okay, you can give sound and animation, and everyone are different animation and sound, everything. But here, the academic presentation must be simple and easy, right? So, using this, we can apply the effects, right? And here, using this one, actually, we already, I forgot to explain these two. I am explain only these one. Using for the background pictures, already selected the background pictures is this fruit collection. Using this, we can apply the different. You can. I set the blank one and. This is a pencil effect, and this one is the I think 3D style. Okay, and you can set this transparency using this. Okay. It's the water paint like that. This reset, the previous setting will be applied. And next one, using the picture correction, we can increase or decrease the brightness of the image. Right? Brightness and contrast. Next one is the contrast. Sorry, this is the sharpness. Sorry, this is the sharpness. And this is the brightness of the image. And this is the contrast. Okay, after that we can set any, these are the already preset different images. When you click the reset, the default image will be applied. And here next one, the color saturation. Using this color saturation, you can separate the colors. This, the dark colors, saturation high, the dark colors, and saturation you can add low is the nearly black and white. Okay. And temperature also we can change the temperature. Using this, we can format the image, right? Format the image. After setting this setting, we want to apply to all. Otherwise, the particular setting will be applied to the particular slide only. Right? Okay. So, you can, about these features and insert one. Here, later I will explain this one, how to insert audio and video and screen capturing. And the design also, the background designs, and using this format background, you can format the background more. and using this we can apply different effects, right? Using the transition, we can apply different transition effects for the slides, not the content, right? I will explain other how to put the animation for each text or each contents by one other things. The next class. After I will explain about these other later. If you want to play the presentation, you can click this one, this slide show. Otherwise, click the F5. F5 is also play the or show the black slide show. And using this, using the file, we can save this PowerPoint file as one name. Click Save As and click Browse. So using this, you can save in your drive, cloud drive. No? Everyone have the our faculty email. Every faculty email have one drive with unlimited space. If you set this drive in your computer, you can save this the PowerPoint file directly in your cloud drive. Okay, and this one the computer, and using this both are same. When you click this browser, you can select the particular folder and put your file name and save. Then your PowerPoint will be saved, right? I think today enough, because this PowerPoint is only the 2 class enough, right? So I will explain some features about the animation, how to put in animation one by one for your content, and how to customize the slideshow. And that's enough. These are the review options. These are no need. And the handouts save I will explain. That's a finish, right? Okay, today I will upload the video of this first class of the presentation in your LMS, right? You can replay the video. And next class I will start from this. And mostly next class we will finish the PowerPoint session. Right. After that, I will give one assignment to you all. I will give one title around 10 to 15 or 20 titles. I will publish in your LMS. You can find this 10 or 20 heading, and you want to prepare the effective presentation. I will give us an instruction how many slides want to prepare and everything I will give. Using this guideline, you want to prepare an effective presentation using in your own style and own formatting, right? So your own idea, but the heading is I will give. And then you want to upload the presentation using the LMS, right? Only one assignment. I will give that assignment in the next class, right? I will give the assignment next class. From the next class, we will finish the PowerPoint session. After that, from the after next class, we will start the internet. Internet we have we can learn more on the Google Drive management, and that's mean the Google Drive as a cloud file management, and Google Search, Google Scholar, and ResearchGate. So many academic features available in the internet. How to search and how to manage the academic contents using the internet. That's mean the Internet of Things, right? We will learn this in after next class, right? Okay, today the class is finished. I will take the class, the next class, next available class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.